just who I was outside of the club.
Hey you guys, so it is almost 7:30. I waited a little late to start my day, but I was like cleaning and doing stuff around the apartment. And I still need to make a grocery run, so the bed is made. I put on fresh clean sheets and my other ones are being cleaned. I'm basically wearing what I wore yesterday when I did all my videos and my try on things. But yeah, these are some more cargos, and I didn't even mention these cargos are also from Temu. It's like 54 degrees today, so it's cool enough to finally just throw on like at least a crew neck and some pants, so that's nice. Yeah, so I definitely have to go to the grocery store because I'm out of dog food for Winston. He likes to eat Fresh Pet, and he goes through them kind of fast, like at least 2 weeks, so he's like out, so he has to eat tomorrow morning. And I also need some things so I can have dinner. Let's see how cold it is once I go outside, but probably gonna put on this puffer jacket, and then I'm just gonna take this little juicy purse that I recently got from Burlington, because I don't really like carrying my big one around when I'm shopping. It's just too heavy, and I just need to put my wallet and a couple things in there, my phone and my keys. So that's really it. All right, it is Thursday, so it's the 14th. It's been a long day. So let's talk about how I literally witnessed a car crash, like right in front of me. The car was coming off of a ramp, started spinning, spun down the hill, then it hit a pole, then it continued spinning and like landed in the highway. Debris everywhere. I'm like a couple feet away, but I'm like slowing down. I wasn't speeding or anything like that. I was actually going under because it was raining today, so roads were super slippery, so I was like going extra slow. So I'm like slowing down. I'm like, okay, where is this car gonna land? Like, it's just been a lot. Like, I'm thankful that I didn't hit the car or anything like that. The person in the car is okay, so that's good. I just took my shower. I'm gonna wash my face. My throat is feeling weird, so that's another thing. I've been like sneezing. I don't know, it's something in the air. It's been sicknesses going on. But okay, I'm done rambling again. But yeah, it's been a day.
Got the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me.
So it's Friday night. This year I've been really into Christmas movies, Black Christmas movies. Ones that are new or I haven't seen them. And they're so cute. This movie came out in 2020, and yeah, you can tell that was a year because I didn't even know about this movie. I don't even know if I was watching Christmas movies, but I was watching my classics. Let me know in the comments your favorite Christmas movies, because I normally watch like Christmas Vacation, Christmas Story, This Christmas, all the specials like Rudolph, Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. Like, I don't know, so many movies. But this year I was like, I really want to watch stuff with black leads and stuff like that. Y'all, wait a minute. Barbie is on the Max app and it's streaming. I didn't go see this over the summer. I really wanted to go with somebody. It just didn't work out, so I was like, well, I'll just have to wait. All right, today's Saturday, December 16th. I'm about to head out to work. It's the fit for today. You're not a real anchor unless you wear boots or sneakers. You can't really see because there's like this really bad glare, but anyways, my bed looks crazy because I was trying to figure out what to wear because tonight is our Christmas party. But we'll touch base when we can. Okay, I'm back from work. I had to run an errand for one of my co-workers. I know I look crazy. Well, I don't think I look crazy, but I just don't have my wig on. I had to change my wig, but I am going to do a little bit of touch-ups here, and then I'm going to get into my dress, and then we'll go from there. It's probably not smart. Ooh, okay. This is like the little detail on here, and my shoes. I'm literally like tipping over, y'all. Sunday. Last night was just a busy night. I watched the Barbie movie. It was so cute. Had Whataburger for dinner and went to bed. Hey, Winston. How's it going, buddy? So this bag has some stuff from the party, and I'm gonna show it to you. I got my favorite candies, Kit Kats. These super cute pink and green socks. They're literally so cute. This is the gift from the production ladies. This is literally the sweetest thing. Sierra and Karen, like, thank you so much. This was so sweet. Oh, Winston. He's trying to take this. No, 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 no. Like, it's so cute. It has Jacob on there. Were y'all Team Edward or Team Jacob when y'all saw this movie? Like, this is one of my favorite movie franchises in the world. So it's so cute. I'm gonna be putting all my juices and drinks in here. I love that. And then I got a plush blanket, and it's pink. So cute. Cowboys lost, so about to get ready for work.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Big ass villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got it down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. I ain't running for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me now?
you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm just like, forget to show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Pushing on a pussy like a button, can't put that fake run. Still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Yeah, peace, that's Southeast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with my key levels. Baddest bitch, and she Spanish. I fly her to got a muscle. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with big message. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, I'm not a hiding girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my back. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my back. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible.
Okay, I am dressed, and I think this will be the end of episode 2 for this Vlogmas, and I'm hoping for a good show tonight. And yeah, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.